Need more help? Give us a call right now at 866-945-8070. We'll get online with you, log in remotely, and record the session so you can review it as often as you like afterwards.
Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, November 28, 2016. We just got over the Thanksgiving holiday. Hopefully you didn't overeat. My wife and I have learned over the years not to do that, and it feels much, much better. In fact, the morning of Thanksgiving, I went on a beautiful hike to Griffith Park, which is real close to me here in Burbank. Griffith Park is Griffith Park, of course. And we actually didn't even eat turkey. My wife prepared this amazing dish. It was this quinoa and broccoli and chicken and cheese casserole, and it was absolutely delicious, and I didn't feel like I overate. I didn't have that tryptophan effect that people love to talk about on Thanksgiving. And now it's time to hustle, because we forget that, after Thanksgiving we think, okay, now it's the holiday season, we want to slow down. The reality is this is the time to hustle between now and Christmas. You have 1 month, and that month goes by fast before Christmas time, before the holiday season. I guess to be politically correct, I have to include, look, I'm Jewish and I'm still used to saying Christmas because that's kind of the world we live in. The reality is, you know what I mean. I'm talking about the whole holiday season, whatever you celebrate. I respect that, of course. The point I'm trying to make, though, is that we have very little time, and it's going to go by super fast. And there are new 1099 rules that went into effect that mean a shorter deadline. So now's the time to start gathering the information and make sure you have everything, so that the only variable by the end of this month should be maybe those few who might have been paid just under $600 that between now and the end of the year might get pushed over that limit. Better to have their information and not need it than to need their information and not have it. So I've got systems set up. In fact, we're here on SethDavid.com on my website, and I have a W-9 form here, and I've got the same thing essentially over at nerdenterprises.com, so that as an accountant, when I'm reaching out to my clients, and ultimately I need to reach out to their vendors to make sure we've got all their W-9s lined up so we can process the 1099s properly, I can send them to this page, and all that's required is for them to fill out the information. I've got a link for them to download the actual form because I need that form signed from them, and then a link here where they can attach that. And then there's a space here where they tell me essentially which of my clients they might be doing this for. That's here where it says pay or who paid you, so that they can let me know which of my clients they did the work for, so that this information drops into a Smartsheet project, and then I can organize it and make sure that I have all the information on file that I need, so that when the time comes, I use a service called track1099.com, and I can easily upload that information to Track1099 and e-file their 1099 form. So it's super fast, super efficient. I don't have to sit there even in QuickBooks setting up who's a 1099 eligible vendor and what's a 1099 sort of mapped account. I don't need any of that. I'm going to actually produce a video within the next week showing you how you can run the report and kind of chisel it down to just those who are paid over $600, and maybe those who are paid within, let's say, $100 less than that, so that, again, you can take into account those who might go over the threshold between now and the end of the year. So time to hustle, folks. It's time to get busy. You have a few short weeks before it's really time to shut down between the start of the holidays and New Year's, at which time things are going to be dead. And now's the time to get your books together so that you can do the projections to see what your tax liabilities might look like for the whole year, and make sure that you've paid in enough payroll, make sure that you're ready and that you have time to react, that you have time to do something before the year end, because after January 1st, it's going to be too late for most things that you could do. So whether or not you want to set up, if you don't already have some kind of an IRA plan or a SEP IRA or 401k, whatever you need to put into place now before the end of the year, so that you can take advantage of putting money away tax-free, so to speak, or tax-deferred, as the case might be. Talk to your tax professional. Talk to me. I can help you wherever you're watching this. On my homepage here at nerdenterprises.com, we've got a big red button here you can click on, so you can book a 30-minute consult, and I can talk to you about these things, and we can put a plan together right away for how you can make sure that you're ready for year end before it's too late. As always, I hope you had a great holiday so far. I hope you're having a great start to your holiday season. Hope you really got to enjoy some time with some loved ones, and I hope you continue to get to enjoy that throughout this holiday season. If nobody's told you today, I love you. I look forward to seeing you on the web.
Need more help? Give us a call right now at 866-945-8070. We'll get online with you, log in remotely, and record the session so you can review it as often as you like afterwards.